Happy Saturday, everyone. Organic Worm Castings by Soto. It's early morning, Saturday. It's August 15th, 2020. And this is the worm bin I started on July 7th. And what I've gone ahead and done is line the table with some brown paper, because I want to take this worm bin with all the worms and castings and put it on the table so we can take a look together and see what the worms have been up to. The last time I did a video, an update on this worm casting, was on July 29th, and that was when the worm casting was 22 days old. Now the worm casting's 39 days old. The last video has been 18 days since I made my last video. I think we'll start our harvest today by removing the worms and getting a new worm bin started, allowing this one to start to cure. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. So I've gone ahead and poured the castings onto the table, removed the excessive paper to reuse in another worm bin that I'm going to start after I gather all the worms. And I'll put the worms into this container here as I gather them from the castings, and that is what I'll share with you. And once I get all the worms gathered, it'll take about a week, and that's a good thing, because as I'm gathering them, they're still feeding off their bedding and whatever waste is still in the castings. So I'll be right back, and we'll get a better view of the worms and the castings. I need to put my gloves on, so stay tuned. So this is what 39 days of worm castings looks like. Very busy worms. So I'll go ahead and gather all this unused bedding, recycle it, remove any worms that might be hiding in here. Check it out. Putting it to the side, and then let's go ahead and take a look in. That's what the castings look like. Any casting that is not finished, we'll just go back into a new worm bin. And one of the ways I make sure I have the castings is to smell it. And you can smell it, and if it smells like there's still food, then it's not ready. And this smells fine, but the best part about it is, because of the way I remove the worms, taking my time to look at the castings, look at the worms, they're still doing their thing, they never stop. So whatever food is still there, we're going to continue to eat until all the worms are removed from the bin. Then the bin will sit and cure, and then it'll be ready to use in the garden.